Most women are chasing the wrong kind of desire. They believe that passion is loud, urgent, physical, that if a man wants you, he'll prove it with intensity. But what if I told you that the moments men remember the longest, the moments that attach them emotionally, are quiet, subtle, and almost invisible to everyone else? I'm Dr. Alina, and today I'm going to expose a truth most men will never admit, not because they don't feel it, but because they don't have the language for it. There are kisses that reach a man so deeply that his body reacts before his mind can explain why. Kisses that lower his guard, slow his breathing, and make him feel something rare. Emotional safety mixed with desire. These kisses don't scream for attention, they command it. And when a woman understands this, she stops competing with other women and starts occupying a space in his heart that no one else can reach. This is not about technique. This is about psychology, presence, and feminine control. The kind that makes a man lean in, stay longer, and think about you when you're not there. Stay with me until the end, because the final kiss I'll share is the one that turns attraction into attachment. And once a man associates that feeling with you, he doesn't let go easily. The forehead kiss is one of the most misunderstood gestures in attraction, because it doesn't look dramatic, seductive, or exciting on the surface, but emotionally, it is one of the most powerful forms of connection a woman can offer a man. When you kiss a man on the forehead, you are not stimulating his body, you are soothing his nervous system. And that distinction is everything. Men live in a constant state of pressure to perform, to provide, to be strong, to stay composed. Very few people ever give them permission to soften. A forehead kiss does exactly that. It quietly tells him, you don't have to be anything for me right now. You're enough as you are. That message lands deeply, because it reaches a part of him that rarely gets acknowledged. Psychologically, this kiss creates emotional safety. It lowers his guard without him realizing it. His body relaxes, his breathing slows, and his mind stops racing. In that moment, you become associated with calm, comfort, and emotional relief. And here's what most women don't realize. Men bond most strongly with the woman who makes them feel safe without making them feel weak. A forehead kiss achieves that balance beautifully. It carries warmth without pressure, affection without demand, closeness without expectation. It says, I see you. Not just the confident version of him, but the tired one, the stressed one, the quiet one. Use this kiss intentionally after he shares something personal, when he's overwhelmed, or in moments of silence when words aren't necessary. This is not a kiss you rush. It's slow, grounded, and present. When done with genuine intention, it leaves an emotional imprint. Over time, he begins to crave that feeling, not consciously, but emotionally. And once a man associates peace, acceptance, and emotional safety with you, his attachment deepens naturally. That is the hidden power of the forehead kiss. It doesn't excite him for a moment. It anchors him to you. The slow kiss at the corner of his lips is one of the most emotionally strategic forms of intimacy a woman can offer, because it speaks directly to a man's sense of desire without ever overwhelming him. This kiss is not rushed, not automatic, and not careless, and that is exactly why it works. When you lean in and gently place your lips at the corner of his mouth, you are sending a very specific message to his subconscious. I want you, and I'm choosing this moment. Men are deeply responsive to intention. They don't just feel attraction through touch, they feel it through awareness. This kiss creates a pause, and that pause is powerful. It leaves space for anticipation, curiosity, and emotional tension to build. Psychologically, it tells him that your affection is intentional, not habitual. He feels noticed, desired, and singled out. In that brief moment, he is not competing with the world. He has your full attention, and when you pull back just slightly after the kiss, without immediately escalating or explaining, his mind fills in the silence. That's where emotional attachment begins. Men bond through what they imagine as much as what they experience. This kiss gives him just enough to feel wanted, while leaving him emotionally engaged. It also communicates confidence. You are not asking for closeness, you are offering it. That difference matters. Men are drawn to women who don't chase connection but create it naturally. Use this kiss during light moments, playful conversations, or just before you part ways. Let it feel effortless, not performative. The beauty of this kiss is that it feels personal, almost private, even in a room full of people. Over time, he begins to associate you with that feeling of being chosen, not out of need, but out of desire. And when a man feels chosen in that way, he doesn't just want more of your presence, he values it. That is why this kiss stays with him long after the moment passes. The cheek kiss paired with steady eye contact is one of the most emotionally grounding gestures a woman can give a man, because it carries warmth without pressure and affection without demand. This kiss doesn't try to impress him or pull something from him. It simply meets him where he is. When you gently kiss his cheek while holding his gaze, you are communicating something men rarely experience: appreciation without expectation. For many men, affection is often tied to performance, what they've done, provided, or proven. This kiss breaks that pattern. It tells him, you matter to me as a person, not just for what you offer. Psychologically, this creates emotional validation. His nervous system registers safety, and his mind registers respect. Eye contact is crucial here because it anchors the moment in presence. It slows time. It makes him feel seen rather than evaluated. That combination, soft touch and steady presence, builds trust quietly but powerfully. Men don't always open up verbally, but they respond deeply to nonverbal reassurance. This kiss gives him permission to relax emotionally without feeling exposed. It's especially powerful during calm moments when you're sitting together, sharing a laugh, or simply enjoying silence. There's no urgency in it, no agenda, and that's exactly why it works. Over time, he begins to associate you with emotional ease. He feels lighter around you, less guarded, more himself. That emotional comfort becomes addictive because it's rare. Most importantly, this kiss builds loyalty without force. It doesn't hook him through intensity. It anchors him through consistency. Men stay emotionally connected to the woman who makes them feel appreciated without pressure and valued without condition. The cheek kiss with eye contact does exactly that. It whispers, "You're safe here," in a way words never could. And when a man feels safe, respected, and emotionally recognized, his attachment doesn't fade, it deepens, quietly and steadily over time. The kiss alone. The jawline or near the neck is where emotional connection and desire quietly meet, and that is precisely why it has such a powerful effect on men. This kiss isn't about urgency or intensity, it's about intentional desire. When a woman places a slow, deliberate kiss near a man's jaw or just below his ear, she is communicating attraction in a grounded, controlled way. And men respond deeply to desire that feels calm rather than demanding. Psychologically, this area is sensitive because it's close, personal, and intimate without being explicit. It signals trust. You are close enough to him to lower his defenses, yet composed enough to maintain emotional balance. That combination is magnetic. This kiss tells him, "I want you, and I'm completely comfortable wanting you." There's no rush to take more, no pressure to escalate. That restraint is what makes it powerful. Men are wired to respond to confidence, especially when it's paired with softness. This kiss makes him feel desired without being consumed, chosen without being chased. It also triggers a sense of exclusivity. This is not a kiss meant for an audience. It feels private, almost secret. And when desire feels personal rather than performative, it leaves a lasting impression. Timing matters here. This kiss is most effective during moments of closeness when you're already connected emotionally, when the energy is calm, when words aren't necessary. It creates a slow burn rather than a spark, and slow burns are what build attachment. Over time, he begins to associate you with a feeling that is both grounding and exciting. You become the woman who awakens his desire without unsettling his peace. And that balance is rare. Men don't stay attached to chaos. They stay attached to the woman who makes them feel wanted and steady at the same time. That is the deeper impact of this kiss. It doesn't overwhelm him, it reassures him. And in doing so, it quietly strengthens emotional attraction in a way that lasts far beyond the moment itself. The lingering goodbye kiss is the one that stays with a man long after the moment has passed, because it doesn't just touch him physically, it follows him emotionally. This kiss is not about passion or intensity, it's about presence. When you kiss him goodbye and allow the moment to last just a second longer than expected, you create something psychologists call emotional residue. His body moves on, but his nervous system doesn't. That extra second communicates care, intention, and continuity. Tells him, even when I leave, the connection doesn't end. Men experience separation differently than women. Often, they don't process emotions in the moment, they feel them later, in quiet spaces, while driving, working, or thinking. A lingering goodbye kiss plants a feeling that unfolds over time. It creates reflection. He replays it, he feels it again, and without realizing it, he begins to associate that sense of calm, warmth, and reassurance with you. This kiss works because it combines softness with certainty. There's no rush, no clinging, no neediness, just steady eye contact, relaxed touch, and a gentle pause before pulling away. That pause is crucial. It signals emotional confidence. You are not afraid of distance, because you trust the connection. Men are deeply drawn to women who feel emotionally secure, because that security allows them to attach without fear of pressure. This kiss is especially powerful when paired with consistency. Every time you part, it reinforces the same message. What we share is stable. Over time, this builds emotional trust. He begins to feel grounded with you, even in your absence. That's when attachment forms, not through constant contact, but through emotional continuity. The lingering goodbye kiss doesn't demand anything from him. It simply leaves him with a feeling he wants to return to, and that is why it is so powerful. Men don't chase chaos, they return to peace. When you become the woman who leaves him feeling calm, valued, and emotionally connected. Even when you walk away, you become unforgettable. So if there's one truth I want you to take with you today, it's this. Men don't attach through intensity alone. They attach through how a woman makes them feel when nothing is being asked of them. The kisses we talked about today are not about technique, performance, or trying to hold a man's attention. They are about presence, intention, emotional intelligence. When you understand how to create safety, desire, and connection in quiet moments, you stop chasing affection and start receiving it naturally. These kisses work because they speak to parts of a man that words rarely reach. They calm his nervous system, soften his defenses, and leave an emotional imprint that lasts long after the moment ends. Remember, attraction that lasts is not loud, it's consistent. It's not rushed, it's grounded. And it always begins with how secure a man feels around you. If this message resonated with you, I want you to engage with this video right now. Like it, subscribe, and comment "kiss" below, because the more you understand emotional intimacy, the more effortlessly you attract it. And if you're ready to step into your feminine confidence and create deeper, more meaningful connections, stay with me. This channel is your space to learn, grow, and feel empowered in your relationships. I'm Dr. Helena, and I'll see you in the next video where we continue uncovering the psychology of attraction, one powerful insight at a time.